Put some stank on it. Volume 13. Y'all already know what time it is. Day 1. Alright, yeah, we was at the cabin again, showing you guys what to do. But it actually snowed this time. I can't believe it was a straight up blizzard.
It's your boy Monkey Will here. Everyone's kind of sleeping right now. It's morning time. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's snow on the ground. We're supposed to go riding with the E-Quad and all the other stuff. The E-Quad obviously turned on. Got it waterproof, all the other good stuff. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you guys got to do. Put some stank on it. Volume 12 coming soon. You feel me? So,
Volume 13.
It's like eerie silent. I can like hear myself talk so vividly. So I'm not trying to talk too crazy and have like start going nuts. Boom gang. Boom gang.
Alright, yeah, so I'm out on the E-Quad first. I'm actually second, I take that back. Zach actually brought it back after riding it for a little bit, and I want to give it a little like test run, see what's really good with this thing. And unfortunately, that rattling sound is one of the bolts came loose from the gas tank. I don't know. It wasn't fully perfected until we got out there and like a bolt came off and whatever. But as you guys can see, this thing handles like very well. No action here. Wasn't expecting that. It is so icy. I'm like drifting everywhere. Oh, this thing is legit. Yo, this quad is legit, like, here, like, peep this. Trying to hit no rocks here. Just nothing, like it's nothing. Unreal, I can't believe it. So this is the part where Zach, Will, and everyone else was actually riding together with the quad, and Zach's just chugging mad slow because he's just like new to riding AOAA and everything. But obviously everyone just blew past him. That's why like I had the first little part. But yeah, the trail's super sketchy, especially on two wheels. My KX was actually down, low compression, and then look at this, beans down. Oh jeez, I cannot believe it, bro. Bruh. Ah.
Yeah, you take my quad.
Yeah, this is the part where they're going into town. Look at that banshee just ripping, you know what I'm saying? Dirt splotches. Can't help it sometimes. Yeah, Bernie out in front with the CF Moto. Yes, sir. I think it's so nice. I bet he was chilling the whole day. Oh snap. Squad on the streets. I know you guys seen this little corridor a bunch of times. Parking up. Yes, sir. Alright, we back out here. Alright, Blum, getting out of the bayou. The frozen bayou. Everything about this is sketch. Wet, cold, snowy, leafy, sketchy
Oh wait, the other one.
death. And then they're crossing
Okay.
Lake Erie over here. Oh snap! Here we go. Bruh. Oh my, bruh. The level of sketch. As you can see, no one is going top speed. Everyone is on some chill stuff. 'Cause everyone is spinning out, falling, getting splacked out, getting biff baff, clickety clapped out. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know how to say it, but I know someone out there understand that. Oh yeah, we out on the electric bikes, y'all. A little wheelie action. Sorry for the grainy footage, but it's nighttime. It's hard to get some footage.
There's a car, turn around, player. There's a car, turn around. Hey, there's 2 cars right there. There's 2 cars right there behind us.
Oh yeah, on the SSR. Yo, that thing beat me, man. I ain't gonna lie, that little bike is fast. I can't believe it. I was juiced out going.
Oh, that's crazy.
It is what it is. Thick AF.
Look how deep it goes.
Look.
Sheesh.
It looks better. It looks scarier.
Stinky. Stinkiest. I can smell you again. Stinky. So stinky. Look at the stinky face.
Oh yeah. Here we go. We getting up out of here.
Made it. Out past the barrels, you know, the entrance mic.
Yeah.
I knew it. I was afraid. I was like, I don't know.
Yeah, I was just looking at it.
Yes, sir. Subscribe, like, comment. More content coming soon, y'all. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.